Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use GNC L-Carnitine liquid, only way. Shake the bottle well and measure 1 tablespoon. Mix it with 6-8 ounces of water and drink 15-30 minutes before workouts or as your label directs. Keep it refrigerated after opening and store away from sunlight to preserve potency. If you forget a dose, simply skip it and continue your regular schedule. Listen to your body and adjust timing if needed. Most users take GNC L-Carnitine liquid once daily, but follow label instructions for your specific bottle. For performance use, drink it 15-30 minutes before exercise mixed with water to aid absorption and tolerability. If you prefer, split doses on long training days, but avoid exceeding recommended daily limits. Pairing with a light carbohydrate snack can help energy and uptake, and always track how you feel across different timings to find what works. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Trees Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that keeps your ride pleasant between workouts or commutes. I placed the product link and other deals in the description, so check that out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Be mindful of interactions and medical conditions before starting any supplement like GNC L-Carnitine liquid. Check with your healthcare provider if you are pregnant, nursing, taking medications, or managing chronic health issues. Start with the recommended dose to assess tolerance and stop use if you experience persistent side effects such as nausea or gastrointestinal discomfort. Keep the product out of reach of children and inform your provider about all supplements you take.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.